G'day all, Chris from Built by Chris here, doing another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday thingies, and I've been asked to check out one of these. I'm leaning on it because it's one of those things that you do when you get one of these. What is it? This week's Cool Tool is the Baladonia support roller thingy. It does a number of things. Number one is you can lean on it when you're having a beer. I don't have a beer because you're not allowed to go to the pub. But it does a number of things. It works as a support for outfeed on your table saw or your bandsaw or your jointer or whatever you've got. But it also works as an infeed support. So if you've got a big sheet, you might have to have two of these, one on either end. If you've got a big sheet that you're running through your table saw, this will support it on the way in and support it on the way out if you've got two of them. So why would you need ball bearings and a roller? Oh, okay, if you're running a board through a table saw, if you've got your roller set at an angle, it'll actually track off in that direction. Not a good thing, might cause kickback, always a bad thing. But if you've got these rollers track in all different directions, and it'll keep the board straight as you're going through your cut, and that's a good thing. The other thing is if you're cutting thin stock, say for argument's sake you've got a lot of plywood and you're doing edge banding, and you're running your edge banding off the table saw, if it goes in between these rollers, they're not really doing their job, so then you can just clip it up and your edge banding will run through here. Fully adjustable from very, very down low to very, very up high. There we go. So if you want more information about the Baladonia support roller, click the links below, they're always down there. And don't forget to like and subscribe because Timbecon love it when you do that. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye for now.